Participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. The system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.